Thank you for having purchased iScribe. This is an audio video user manual. Once you have downloaded the application from the link that is mentioned in the manual, it will get downloaded as a RAR file as shown above. Now you can extract the application from this RAR file to any location you want as shown here. Once the application is extracted, you can install the application and application gets installed.